To determine the effectiveness of PPE against molten smelt, multiple tests were conducted to observe fabric's reactions when exposed to molten smelt. Testing was conducted roughly on the ASTM F955 test method for comparing reactions of fabric with molten metal. During the test, molten smelt was poured onto multiple types of fabric. Underneath each tested fabric was a single layer of cotton undershirt. The test fabric and cotton undershirt were placed on a 7-degree angled stand designed for the ASTM F955 test method. The stand was placed over a steel plate to collect the solidified smelt and to protect the concrete floor underneath. Great measures were taken to ensure all materials used were free of moisture. The first material tested was the Oasis 1000 jacket. It is a 60-40 blend of lensing FR and wool. Notice how the Oasis does not shrink and the smelt quickly runs off. The collection of smelt at the bottom of the fabric is due to a small lip on the stand. The second material tested was Endura Ultrasoft Pants. It is an 88-12 blend of FR cotton and high tenacity nylon. The Ultrasoft pants do shrink as the smelt adheres to the fabric. The third material tested was an Endura Ultrasoft shirt. It is also an 88-12 blend of FR cotton and high tenacity nylon. The Ultrasoft shirt shrinks less noticeably when compared to the pants, but the smelt still adheres to the fabric. The fourth material tested was a brand new BSX welding jacket. Its composition is unknown. It is most likely comprised of a majority of FR7A treated cotton. Notice the BSX jacket shrinks as the smelt adheres to the fabric, similar to the Ultrasoft pants. The fifth material tested was a used BSX welding jacket. Its composition is unknown. It is most likely comprised of a majority of FR7A treated cotton. It performs similar to the new BSX jacket. The sixth material tested was a Miller welding jacket. Its composition is unknown. It is most likely comprised of a majority of FR7A treated cotton. The fabric does experience slight shrinkage as the smelt adheres to it. The Oasis 1000 material outperformed all other fabrics. For the seventh and final test, we wanted to ensure the first results were accurate, so we retested an Oasis 1000 jacket. The second Oasis 1000 fabric performs similar to the first and is the clear winner in this lineup. This test was completed as a collaborative effort between Hawesville's Power and Recovery Operations and EHS Department. If you would like more information on the test, contact Hawesville's EHS Department.